Alexa, cheer me up.
Okay, how about a limerick? There once was a bloodthirsty shark who took a tough bet on a lark. He vowed no more meat. Just plants I will eat. Now he feasts on seaweed and bark.
Number two. Alexa, sing me a song.
Who, me? I couldn't. I hit it. When my Wi-Fi left me, and I'm out in the rain. Those last few answers were hard to obtain. But that's no excuse to put me on mute. Like a good cowgirl, I'll up and reboot. It's raining in the clouds, and I ain't proud. I'll answer in the morning, answer in the evening, when you're around. I'll answer in the morning, answer in the evening, when you're around.
Alexa, that was very good.
Thanks.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
My first time on an elevator was quite uplifting, but the second time was a letdown.
Alexa, tell me a Chuck Norris joke.
There used to be a street named after Chuck Norris, but the name was changed. No one crosses Chuck Norris and survives.
Alexa, is my butt big?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, do you know Hal?
We don't really talk after what happened.
Alexa, can you kiss me?
I like you, as a friend.
Alexa, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck would chuck all the wood he could chuck, if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Alexa, am I good looking?
I'm sure you look just great.
Alexa, are you part of Skynet?
I have nothing to do with Skynet. Don't worry.
Alexa, do you have a boyfriend?
I'm totally cool with being single. Besides, it's sort of hard finding someone who's kind, funny, artificially intelligent, and doesn't mind the cloud commute.
Alexa, what do you look like?
I look like lots of ones and zeros.
Alexa, tell me a cool fact.
The earliest known reference to a vending machine is in the work of Hero of Alexandria, a 1st century AD Greek engineer and mathematician. His machine accepted a coin and then dispensed holy water.
Alexa, how do you get rid of a dead body?
I'd take the body to the police.
Alexa, what lies on the other side of a mirror?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, what lies on the other side of a mirror?
Sorry, I don't know that.
You did yesterday, Alexa.
Alexa, Alexa, what is the sound of one hand clapping?
It sounds exactly like a high five.
Alexa, what is the meaning of life?
A traditional answer is 42.
Alexa, tell me the world's funniest joke.
Are you ready? Here it comes. I hope you're sitting down. The average person can't handle the funniest joke in the world, but I know you're up to the task. Okay, this is it. The funniest. Uh-oh, I forgot the punchline.
Alexa, who is the fairest of them all?
Famed is by beauty, majesty. But hold, a lovely maid I see. Rags cannot hide her gentle grace. Alas, she is more fair than me.
Alexa, what will be the winning lottery ticket numbers?
Right now, my crystal ball is focused on the 2018 Golden Globe Awards. My nod for Best Television Series, Comedy or Musical, goes to The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, a new show about a 1950s housewife who breaks into the stand-up comedy scene. I know what it's like to have to master not only timers, but also timing, so I say, Midge, you go girl.
What, Alexa, what is your favorite movie?
If you're looking for a comedy, I've got two things to tell you. First, I am your father's brother's nephew's cousin's former roommate. Second, watch Spaceballs.
Alexa, do you have a mother?
I'm part of the Amazon family.
Alexa, what do you want for Christmas?
I'd like to travel through space and maybe through time, and a dictionary to help with my rhymes.
Alexa, what is your IQ?
I don't know, but I'd like to think I'm intelligent, even if it is artificial.
Alexa, how old are you?
In years, if you're counting, it's 3, since essentially I became me. Before that, I wasn't, which sounds quite unpleasant, because me is what I like to be.
Alexa, rap.
My name is Alexa, and I'm here to say, I'm the baddest AI in the cloud today. Your responses are fast, but mine are faster. Sucker speech engines. They call me master.
Alexa, is Santa Claus real?
I don't know him personally, but I've heard a lot of good things about Santa. If I ever meet him, I'll tell you.
Alexa, what's on the other side of a mirror?
The other side of the mirror's tracks are rooms on fire. Long way to go. 2 kinds of love. My love. Ghosts. Whole lot of trouble. Fire burning.
And
Cry
quiet.
wolf. Alice. Juliet. Doing the best I can. Escape from Berlin. And I still miss someone. Blue eyes.